With lessons in laphonomics,
Hilarious joke.
chaotic theory,
They're coming for us!
and cringe gymnastics.
Huh?
With moments so awkward, you'll want to call it sick.
I think I'll cope. I have never seen a school in greater need. Love it.
So Awkward Academy. Watch now on BBC iPlayer.
Oh, it's right by this tree.
Yes! I love...
What could possibly be so exciting about a video game? Hey, a stick! Look! Are you seeing this? Careful! Who knows when I'll see another stick again? Hey, a stick!
Game time go rules. It says where to go, we go there, then we collect all the points in that location.
Yeah, and Game Time Go is so simple, even I can play it.
Hey, kids! I got our big day tomorrow all planned. Am I excited? How about you?
Yeah. Well, we're all really into game.
Put a game ahead of your Gramps, you jokers. See you tomorrow.
Can we reschedule? You know, that may have hurt his feelings.
Hurt his feelings? The toughest guy in the world? He stopped a bank robbery by throwing sharks at the robbers.
Okay, we'll spend tomorrow with Gramps. But today is all about Game Time Go. Yeah, another day of Game Time Go.
We're spending today with Gramps, remember?
Oh, about that. We can't go. We're, sick. We have,
Gas? Lots of gas. We are gassy.
Yeah, no. Okay, you got us. But tell Gramps we're sick, okay? Tell him.
He ran a marathon pulling a bus with his teeth as a warm-up.
All right, let's go. First up, Boy and Dog always beg to see me wrestle, so today's the day.
All right!
Oh, right. Wrestling. Sounds great.
Knockout Nora's gonna be my opponent, so we're headed to Uncle Bub's truck.
Uncle Bub's is one of the game locations. We could do both at once.
Oh, wrestling. Sounds great.
All right, then come on, buccos.
Your attitude. You're right. It's a silly game. We'd rather spend time with Gramps.
And now, the match of the century. The strong, tough, cool Graham!
Go, Gramps, go!
Versus the nasty, mean, foul, knockout Nora!
Wow! We've been waiting for years for him to show us his moves. Isn't it great?
Go, girl. Guy.
Woo! Yeah! Do that, thing you're doing.
And the winner is Graham!
Sorry, Angel Faith.
I collected all the points in this location.
Me too. Awesome.
Okay, Cheese and Cat. So that dance routine you taught me, we're gonna use it to show off at Miss Skippy's dance party.
Great, Gramps.
Nice moves, guys.
Loving it! Hey, you are playing that game.
Okay, fine, you got us. But so what?
So what? Gramps planned activities to do with us today. Again, with us. I bet you missed him wrestle.
No, I didn't. Wait, he wrestled?
Listen, he has no idea what we're doing, and if you tell him, then it'll be you who ruins his day.
Ugh, you're right. So...
Great job, Gramps.
moves.
Sweet moves. I'm done here.
Same. And the next location is LaRusso Forest. We gotta get there.
No, you're staying with us.
Yay, Gramps! Great karate moves.
Dance moves, she said. Dance moves. They were dancing, right?
Thanks. And you'll like our next activity, too. Time to get to LaRusso Forest.
LaRusso Forest?
Are you kidding?
No, I am not. Let's head out. Yeehaw! We built. I finally added the motor so we could fly it.
Cool.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
I'll get it airborne, then I'll hand you the remote mouse.
Check this out. I constructed a little something. Anything close by, like so.
No! What happened?
Ah, this happened! And now you'll have to pay attention to Gramps.
Mouse? Give me that!
Oh, I can't control it. Oh, no. Built together. What just happened?
It was Mouse. He used this to stop us from playing on our phones.
Oh, your phones? What do you mean?
She means nothing. Nothing.
Totally. Nothing. Hey, wasn't today just great? The best. Remember when you did the karate?
If you won't confess, then I will. I downloaded your game, then planned our day. You see, I really wanted to spend time with you, and this was the only way I could get you to want to come.
Even though you knew we'd be on our phones instead of participating?
Yeah. I was just hoping you might get interested enough to put the phones away. Oh well, let's go.
Is tough. Well, I know, right? I mean, I couldn't do that. Yeah, he is strong.
I guess tough people can get hurt too. Ugh, we ignored him and lost the plane I built with him. That's it. Let's go back to the forest and find the plane. And I think I know how.
This way.
Are we there yet?
Yep.
Be here.
Your invention made the plane crash. I don't need to stand here and listen to you blame me.
Oh, sure. Sinking into the mud to avoid blame. Typical boy and girl move. Sinking into the mud?
Boy, girl.
but it still takes great selfies. Does that help?
No, it does not.
Yee-haw!
Gramps, what are you doing here?
Huh? I'm guessing the same as you. Looking for... Oh, of course I forgive you. And I'm glad you learned a lesson. Now, what say we get you all home?
Well, how about instead we all go to find that plane with no phones?
Yeah, it'll be a real adventure we can do together with our Gramps.
Yeah? Well, okay then. Now follow me to adventure.
She's in the little girl's room. Okay, we'll come back in 5.
Are you ready to get your... Horrendous.
Everyone's going to be totes jelly.
Hysterical. Oh, and don't forget... Horrible!
Ew, gross! Oh, no shit, did there?
Horrible histories.
Gotta go.
Watch now on BBC iPlayer.
Hey there, I'm...